Let us talk about the second, the third one, which is a sortable pivot. Okay, so in Power BI, the if you want to sort the column by column, you have to write a lot of expression like this. So each expression, so for example, the revenue in FY22, you have to write one expression, which is here, and then 23 the same thing. So cost, you have to write another expression, and then uh, net profit, you have to write the other expression as well. Okay, so this one is very easy to sort. You can sort one by one. Whatever you want to is like the top by revenue, or top by cost, or top by net. Mm, you can sort in here as well, so very flexible. And then you can break it down into different categories. So in this case, I can break it by the market, and then by the clinic as well. Oh, let me show you the breakdown by map, which is quite weird, but we will understand more about the mechanism behind the formula. Okay, so you can see here actually the the revenue, the formula, because the formula is like this: revenue 22. The formula is, I only filter the items with FY22, and then the mapping is name is revenue, and then I will sum all the amount together. Okay, so this will give me mm, the revenue of the years. So FY22 here. So mm in the cost, it will be blank, because you can see here, whenever I have the cost, then I have the revenue, then I will sum it up. But then because of the cost, this one is blank. And then the same thing happened in the cost side. Let me show you the cost. So in the cost side, I just select all the item with FY23, and then the cost, and then I sum them all together. As a result, you see the numbers in the cost, but in the revenue, you don't see. Okay, so this one is a wrong, and then you have to be careful in this case. This one is a uh, wrong impression, or like wrong idea about the net number, because uh, in this case, actually, the number is broken down into the revenue and then the cost. So in here you can see this number actually match this part, and then the total is correct. The total, because the net is just add the revenue and the cost together, so this one is correct. But then the um, the the breakdown is actually, this one is this case is not wrong, but it just is useless. It doesn't make sense at all. Only the total makes sense. Okay, so that's explain how you use the formula, the measure in here in order to sort the the items. Okay, so make sure that in this case, if you change this one back to the market, and then it will make sense, because now you actually, this number, these numbers, they are actually the same. Okay, so let me delete this one. Okay, by the way, I have this one is just the raw total, or the raw pivot from the table. So I just group by market, and then by the mapped in here. So the map is, the first block is the cost, and the second block is the revenue. And then if I want to compute the net, and then I have to remove the map, because uh, it will add this one with this one, and then we end up with this number. And then also the same thing with the other year as well. So you have this number. And then if you look into here, this table is actually use only three columns by FY, so the revenue and cost by FY, and by market. That's it. But then this table actually use a lot of columns in here. So you have by clinic, and then you have a lot of formula in here. This one, these tools are quite similar in structure. So in here you can see the column and then plus the clinics. But when you click in here, you see all the same column, but then you have the market instead of the clinic. Okay, so that's all about the uh, sortable pivot. The trick is you have to use a table in here, and then you have to write a lot of expression to put in the table, and then as a result, you can sort by any order you want.